Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam motorbike trip. So today we're going up to Yen Minh. I think that's how it's pronounced. I'm pretty sure it's wrong though. Anyway, it's about 90 kilometers, so not too long of a ride. About perfect really. It's supposed to be some beautiful vistas and views with coffee shops perched on top of the mountain with fantastic views. Plan on stopping at a handful of those. No hurry to get there. I already got my accommodation booked at a homestay that's got excellent reviews. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'm about all packed up in the room. About to go load up the bike. Of course, got to get gas. Get the bike loaded up, get gas, hit the road. I'll see you out there. Hopefully we'll see some fantastic views today. And we'll see what happens. Well, I'll see you on the road. I got the bike loaded up. And at the gas station with a tour group. Looks like they like a guided tour. It's like the local rider and everybody else is a passenger. Okay. Don't be too tall coming across this motherfucker. Whee! I love these little bridges in northern Thailand. I feel the need to duck. I don't know why I'm ducking. You have to be like 8 foot tall to. All right. We are truly at river level. Usually I'm always seeing it from a elevated bank, but no, right on the river. Well, it wouldn't take much to flood here, would it? Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Reflection, fantastic. Each day when I get that full tank of gas, it's just a wonderful feeling. It's like, now we have possibilities. There's my ride right down in this motherfucker. That was probably a terrible idea. Jesus. There's so many people. I've seen in that one gas station, I've seen more people, or riders, farmers on motorbikes, than I have my entire trip. That's the difference between anything north of Hanoi and south of Hanoi. Nice, impressive, hazy view. Let's get something to drink and relax. Yeah, that's the current situation. You're in a log jam of motorbikes and cars. Too bad I didn't have my camera on. I just got pulled over at one of the checkpoints. Of course, they don't pull over the tour groups. Well, not with passengers. The people on the tour groups riding their own bike, they get pulled over. But they just asked for license, and but the police officer was real disappointed when I produced that Thai driver's license, because it is accepted in Vietnam. He was like, oh, okay. And then motioned me to go in. And the guy behind me was a Polish guy. He had an international. And they didn't find him either. So it seems like as long as you got your stuff in order, you'll be all right. At least at that checkpoint. We'll see about the next one. Should have chose first gear.
Ooh, look like Willie. Y'all see my Willie? Wait a minute. That don't sound right. Did y'all see me pop a Willie? See me? Wow. And this video is not going to do it justice. It's just amazing. Yeah, definitely start your trip in the south. We're going to do all of Vietnam. You do not want to start with this, because it's not going to get better as you go south. There's some wonderful spots in the middle and thing, but overall, it does not compare. We've got about 40 kilometers to the destination today. A couple more spots to stop at. But, isn't it beautiful? Look at those mountains. This is amazing. I want to pay attention to the road. You want to look at the scenery. I was looking at the map. I was like, man, this road does not seem like it's the main road, you know. I mean, a lot of people are coming down it, but yeah, so when I rented the bike to Jet Motorbikes, where I rented from, they let you download popular routes and, you know, the main routes to take, basically. Of course, you're free to do anything you want to. And I haven't followed it all the time. Sometimes you just go off the beaten path. But I'm liking the fact that pretty much you have the road to yourself here. So there is a way to escape the crowd if you want to go. Take an alternate route. Seems like if you get off the beaten path at all, you will escape the crowd. All right. Descending and whatever the town is. Couple kilometers. Yanming. That's the name of the town. Yeah, oh, it's right there. There you go.
Okay, got checked into the hotel. A little confusion. I guess they got two little areas. One's more the hostel area, another one's more the hotel area, and I was in the hotel area because I wasn't staying in no hostel. So I was at the wrong spot, but 2 doors down. So, you know, myself. I got checked in the hotel. This is the hotel. It's a nice little. Nothing wrong with this. We got a fire escape just in case. We're sitting on the river. Ooh, there's actually, you probably cannot see, but there's tons of fish in that pond. Oh, it's a pond, I think. But that's the part of the hotel too, down there. I was down to the right checking in, and that was the wrong spot. So now I'm here. So we got a nice little balcony. It's very nice, very nice. I got a view of the gas station. I can get gas first thing in the morning. We got the bathroom, typical bathroom. Nice little cool little sink in that thing there. Typical stuff. Got to, of course, got to check out the bed, and that's nice and soft. Incredibly soft. No, softer than last night. Yes, I would put that in as a medium soft bed. Anyway, fantastic ride today. Yes, there was a lot of traffic. I'm glad I sort of took an alternate route. I seen the road leading down the valley, and I thought, oh yeah, I should take that. But the guide that the motorbike company gave me, that was not the way. It was the way Google told me to go. So I followed Google's, and it was like the Google motorcycle path. I guess it technically maybe, well, Google usually always tries to give you the shortest route. So I guess it technically was shorter. I think it was slower though, probably than the other route. Anyway, the other route could have been 10 times better, who knows? But it was a fantastic ride along the river and that valley. You'll see it. Well, hopefully you've seen it. Watch the video. So that was fantastic. Anyway, I'm starving. All I ate was some hard candy, some beef jerky, and a handful of chips today. But there's a good restaurant with sort of reviews down the road here. I'm going to go pop in, see what they got. Shower, food, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. And to get out there and enjoy yourself, do a trip like this. Especially if you're my age, I'm 52. Get out there and do these things while you can. Yes, it costs, well, I don't know where you're flying from, but if you're flying from somewhere in the United States or Europe or Australia, is much closer. Get out here and do it. It doesn't cost that much money. Trust me, that cruise, I just took a cruise in September. Trust me, this costs less than the cruise. This entire 2 months costs less than that 1 week cruise. And this is a much better experience. It's not as relaxing. There's no boat drinks. But, you know, it's Vietnam. You'll love it. Anyway, shower, food, like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow on the road. Enjoy yourself. It's later than you think.